Okay, hello guys. Today we're going to make some podcast about overseas life and experience. Before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Yazid and you can call me Yazid. And I'll be your host today. Now, let's go to our friend and you can introduce yourself and then maybe you can give your background just a little.
Okay. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zahra Sajad, and my friend actually called me Zahir. And now I'm in the 11th grade in Aidan boarding school in Jonggol. The majoring is the RPL,
Okay, software engineer.
software engineering.
Good.
And now I have a project. Is many project, yeah. And maybe my friend.
No, wait. Experience. What your project?
My project. A lot of project.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you tell me? Tell us one.
One of my projects. Like maybe I make a dashboard for the admin panel.
Admin panel.
Yes. Just for the UI. I'm a front-end developer. And now still progress.
Okay, give to Rafais. Okay, I repeat my question. Can you introduce yourself and then maybe just a little your background? Okay, Rafais.
Alright. Okay, my name is Muhammad Rafa Jamar.
What's your name?
Muhammad
Muhammad
Rafais
Rafais Jamar. Most of people call me Rafa. Yeah. And I'm from 11th graders actually. In Indian boarding school Jonggol.
Nyonggol.
And my major is software engineer, or we can say RPL. So now I still doing my task, maybe focusing on the Ujigam projects that school have been provided for us. Yeah, that's my task for right now.
Okay,
Maybe anything you wanna ask for about me?
maybe enough for that. Okay, maybe for introduce, we next go to the question. First, Zahir, have you been overseas before?
No.
No.
I actually live in Indonesia.
Yes.
Is 17.
No. Maybe Rafa say before you already go to the Malay.
Malay. Oh no.
Oh no, that's a fact.
I went fake. Yes.
Okay, maybe you can give mic.
Wait.
Oh, you have some.
Explain.
Okay.
About my life.
Okay. You want to explain?
In my life, in my 17 years
Okay.
old, I live in Indonesia.
Yes.
Actually, just live in
Bekasi.
What's
Oh, what?
island?
Island. Oh,
Java Island.
Java Island.
And before in 10th grade, in 11th grade, I then have a event. Is the
What event? Oh, Edures.
Yes, it's
okay.
Edures.
Good. So you go to the Lampung,
Yes, in
Sumatra.
Yes, in Sumatra Island.
Okay,
This
good.
is my first time I live in Java Island.
Javanese.
But maybe my friend have a lot of experience in
Other country,
overseas. Yes, in other countries.
Yes.
And
I know. I
maybe-
can see from her face.
Yes, like Chinese people.
Like no, not Chinese. Italy.
Italy. Oh yeah.
Okay, Rapais.
What question?
Have you ever been overseas?
Overseas,
Good.
my first time on 2017. Yes.
Which your country?
2017. When I second grade. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to Malaysia.
Malay.
Yeah. And actually that's umroh, but from my travel need to transit first to
Yes.
the Malaysia. So in Malaysia, I goes to Kuala Lumpur, the Twin Tower. So
Petronas.
yeah, Petronas. Yeah, we explore in Malaysia, like the culture, the food, the street food. Yes, maybe for me Malaysia is little bit same with Indonesian, but maybe the different only the culture.
And maybe clean.
Yes,
than
clean.
Indonesia.
In Malaysia is
Yes.
Malaysia is clean country. Yeah. And then Arab Saudi, yes, this it's very different between Indonesian and Arab. The difference is the first from the language is difference. If Malaysia is a little bit same, the language, so I can understand it, but in Arab, maybe because I didn't learn about Arabic languages,
Okay.
so I don't know what they talk about. Yeah. So, and then I ever go to Turkey. Yeah, I did. So when I was umroh last year. No, I mean on last January. Yeah. The difference between Indonesia is so far the first of all the culture, the food it's very different. So I don't like Turkey food because they didn't eat rice but bread.
Oh,
So
bread.
yes, and then the language is different. So most of Turkish people they can't speak in English, so I hard to communication with them. So when I was on the Turkey, I ever buy pizza. Yes, then pizza. So but I can't talk to them because they can't speak in English. So only choose the food, and like I talk with them with body gesture,
I know.
not talking, but using hand gesture and body gesture. Yeah, that's hard because I didn't know about the language, and on the time on the Turkey is very cold. Yes, very cold. So it's so different between Indonesia. Maybe Indonesian is around 26 or 27 Celsius, but on the Turkey is 3 to so sort of very cold.
Yes.
Very cold.
When you come to Turkey, there is winter.
There's winter.
So very cold in there.
Yeah, very cold.
Yes.
And then I were goes to Thailand and Singapore.
Okay.
Yeah. And in Singapore I feel little bit relaxed because they can't speak any in English. Yeah. But the combination mix between English and Chinese. Yeah. With Mandarin also. So like the intonation, like Chinese people. Yeah, but I can little bit understand it about the language. And in Thailand almost cannot speak in English.
English.
Yes.
So they can just speak Thailand.
Yes, to Thailand. If I wanna ask, like, I wanna go to the
Market?
No market. I wanna go to the station.
Station.
Yeah. I need to ask to them, but I translate it first to the Thailand language, so I
Language, okay.
only show the result of the translate to them. Yeah, because that's the hard. This is the most hard if we go to another country, but we can't understand it, the language.
Yes.
So it's very hard. That's why we need we need to learn more about the another language, not only English. Yeah, we can
Learn Mandarin, example.
Yes, Mandarin. Mandarin is, if you wanna in like you wanna your future. The example your future is wanna make some business. So you need to learn to Mandarin because the signal of business, yeah, is goes to the China's. Yes, in China's.
China's a big industry in the world.
Yes, that's like the name, like import, like
Oh,
that.
important.
Yes. Yeah,
Okay.
like that.
Enough. Okay, maybe I want next question from for brother Zahir. Maybe yes, I forget. Okay, what's your first impression when you go to Lampung?
At my first impression.
Yes. When you come in Lampung, what your first impression?
First is
Maybe different when you stay in Java and then you go to Lampung. What the difference?
is Sam,
Same.
because still in Indonesia.
Yes,
but
but I think there is a little different.
Yes.
What?
There's a little bit of different, like
Yes.
in Java Island.
Yes.
Is maybe in Lampung is so
What? Small. Maybe.
yes, small. Because I'm in Lampung, just in the
Cigar.
yes, Sigar.
Oh, I see.
Nah, I just
Stay?
go to from the
What?
the station of what? The station of the station and I just
Harbor?
go
Harbor.
around of the station. Harbor.
Yes.
I just go around of the harbor.
Okay.
I
You in Lampung just study or another things?
I just study and I like explore
Oh, explore.
the Lampung, yeah,
Okay.
and go to the Sigar
Cigar.
and
BSI?
yes,
Yeah.
most of BSI. There's a big mosque and have a
That's a beautiful mosque. You think? Beautiful mosque.
yes, it's a beautiful. I take a bath in masjid.
Yes,
Yes, and I
I-
take a rest in that mosque.
Okay.
Maybe that's
You sleep in there or just
yes. I sleep in this
one
mosque.
day?
No, just for a moment.
Oh, for a moment. Okay. Maybe Rapais, you may have many experience than Zahir. You already go to the Thailand, Singapore, Malay, Arab, Turkey, and what you think in that country? Maybe you can give some your experience. Experience. First impression. I mean, sorry, my bad.
First impression. in some of the country that I ever visit, maybe my first impression on the Singapore, because that country, I think it's very, the first one is very clean, and it's very different between in Indonesia.
Yes.
Yeah, not only the culture, the language, yeah, but I don't know why I can say, like in Singapore I feel like amazing.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very amazing between other country. Yeah, not if the technology, I would say in China and Japan, because the technology is very improved. Yeah, like Japan is the technology. If China is like electric car, nah, that's China's built the first country is ever building.
Make a robot.
And robot, yeah, if AI, maybe from US or from French, yeah. If the another technology that is on Russia or another country, yeah. But my first impression in Malaysia, Singapore, in Asian country, yeah, maybe, yeah, it's amazing country. Yeah, amazing country, clean country, and they have the difference. Every country have a different culture, and the people also different. The character between in Indonesia, yeah, so that's the difference.
Okay.
And the minus is only if you go there, you didn't know what, didn't understand it, but the language.
Yes.
That's the minus. If you go there, yeah, especially in the Arab, so you should learn in Arabic language, because the language is different. Like what we learn, like
It's different.
seems like in English. Yeah, if you go to US or UK, yeah, the language you will not understand what they talking, what are they talking about, because you learn about the basic, but they use their language,
Slang.
their language for talk every day, every time. If you're Indonesian, it's only like only at school. If you are at home or you talk with your parents, you talk in Indonesian, not in English. So this was the difference, yeah, between our language, our English language, what we learn, and what in their country. So that's the difference.
Okay. Maybe I have one question for Rapais. Just for Rapais. Did you make international friend when you go?
Yeah, benar.
Maybe in Turkey you make international friend.
In Turkey, yes. Actually, I meet with like guider, travel guider. Yeah, that's real from Turkish people.
Okay.
But I see he can speaking in Indonesia, so very fluent in Indonesia.
Yeah.
So I talk with him with Indonesian, but if he didn't understand what I say, what I talk about, so I put English like little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, so like he tell me about the Turkey culture, so how you afford people over there, yeah, the character, or what we did if another country goes to their country like that. So and he asked me to Moods Instagram. So
Mutual.
yeah,
Okay.
Moods Instagram. So until right now, I ever talk with him. You know, like situation on the Turkey because I don't know. I just like Turkey because I like the culture over there.
Okay. Okay, maybe the next question. What you learn when you do study overseas for the you
What I learned.
yes. What you get? What you get when you do overseas?
Oh, what I get.
Yes.
If I do overseas.
Yes.
Okay. What I get. If I do in overseas is like first is the studies. Yeah.
Okay.
Because the important things now is studies.
Study.
Like in Indonesia now, in the around of the
Environment.
in the Indonesian environment, like now is have a bad habit maybe
Okay.
is like join the even in the school or his leave for the his main even in his school, if in the other countries or overseas you like must have a hard work,
Yes.
like you must have a hard work for your future, the first is for your future because your learn is because your studies is important, and the second is what I get the second is experience. Yeah, is the experience. If I do the in other country, I got a lot of experience. Like Rafai say, is the different culture and meet the other people from the other country and others.
Okay. Maybe what the next? Do you think going abroad change your mindset? Change your mindset to be good mindset?
Oh yes. The overseas can change my mindset.
Yes.
Cause is hard things in Indonesia. Not like everyone can't go to the other countries before, like he doesn't have money and others. Yeah, you must, if you want that, you must hard work from that. Like you studies from the morning until night, and you must work maybe from the subuh until you
Okay.
until the sun is go down and others.
Okay.
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 Yeah, until sunset.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Same question for Rapais.
Same question.
You may repeat the question.
What the question before?
Okay, the question is, what did you learn from your overseas experience?
What did you learn?
What you learn when you do overseas?
What I learned, I learned
New language.
not only the new language,
Okay.
yeah, but maybe I learned what I said before, not maybe the language, the first language, the culture, and maybe the weather, yeah, the weather on their countries, and then Yeah, what else? I know about something new when
What's that?
what
What?
something new when I abroad. I mean
Yes.
overseas. Yeah, not only in Malaysia, in Turkey, Arab, Singapore, Thailand. Yeah, I learned about something new. Something new uh, like the people, and then the house will when you are on the street, yeah, like that. Yes, so I learned, yeah, so much. I learned so much over there. Yeah.
Okay. What changed your mindset when you overseas?
I changed my mindset. So because of I goes to so many country, so I changed my mind to take a college not in Indonesia. Yeah, because I wanna learn for maybe I wanna learn for my last time. Maybe it's my last study is college. Yeah,
College.
yeah. I've been junior high school and senior high school at Indonesia.
Yes.
So I wanna try something new to study at another country, not in my country.
Okay.
So maybe I will. I change my mind to take a college on the UK. Yeah, yes, around UK or UK or French. Yeah,
French.
around that.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Explain what country do you want to choose? What country and not what? You can explain because you never explain.
My country. Okay. So I already go to the 3 country. The first is Singapore, Lake Rava, and Malai, and Thailand too. And yeah, why I first go to Singapore? Because Singapore is very close in Batam, maybe just 15 minutes when I go use ferry. And yeah, maybe I have my auntie marry in Singapore. Yeah, so I not always, but like go to Singapore maybe when Idul Fitri, or my uncle tell to me no problem if we want to go to his apartment. And then Malaysia, when Idul Fitri, the first I go to my uncle apartment, and then he asked to me, you want to go to Malai? And I say yes. And same like Rafa, I go to Petronas. But when I 12 years old, and then I go to Thailand. But when I 5 or 6 years old. But yeah, that's the whole story when I go to the Malay and Thailand. But the last time in last Idul Fitri, I go to Singapore, meet with my big family in there. And then I think when I go to that country, it's worth it because I learn new things, maybe a different culture and different language. And maybe when I go to the Singapore, I see the difference in Batam and Singapore, because in Singapore, if we eat bubble gum and we put in maybe no, not in trash bin. Yeah, we put in any place we can get called by police and we get denda, consequence, and maybe things I learned in there. So I just want to say that's worth it to go to Singapore, learn many things and meet many peoples. Okay, I
One question to get the answer.
yes. Maybe you want to give one question to me for MC.
Just one.
This one.
Yes, sir.
What's your
What?
experience? First impression?
First impression when I go.
Yeah, in the other countries.
Okay, 3 countries. My first impression ya, yeah, happy and shocked. But why I happy? Because yeah, that's my first time go to the other country, and then why I shocked? Because when I lost my parents there, when I go to Malay, 7 years old, but my my auntie come to me, and before that I need help. I come to the random people, but I can understand what he say. So I just crying in there, and then my auntie come to me and he call me and go to our family. Maybe like that.
In Singapore?
In Singapore, yeah, in Singapore I
Happy.
just happy because I have a family in there. So I always come to Singapore. So I know what have I do when I lost my parent in there, because I know the place in there. So what again?
In the Thailand?
I don't know. I
Yeah.
still baby.
Okay. The last before you close, each one give one advice and then close. Advice.
This last or have any question?
After this close,
All close.
each student get one advice. You start.
Advice.
Advice.
No policy.
Oh, okay. For me, the advice, if you want get easier to the other countries, is maybe have a like the first is maybe have a family in other countries like Yazid. He's have the auntie
Wow.
in the Singapore. That's the first. And if you doesn't have the family or your friend in or relation in the other countries, you can like hard work. Yeah.
Like Omegle for find friend
Yes.
from other country, guys.
You can make the relation in the maybe your sosmed or your
Game.
Yeah,
Game.
you can find your relation, or if you want go to the other countries. Maybe that's advice for me.
You first or me? Yep. Okay. Oh, I already use ya. Okay, maybe my advice. The first is when you want to go for the first time to our other country, you need one guider and maybe friend, because when you come without that, you will lost in the other country, and then make many relation, make many friend from the other country. That can make you easy to go and make easy when you come to that's country. Okay, advice.
Like maybe some advice from me how to go easily to the other country. The first you should prepare, which is which is learn, yeah, improving yourself. So you should prepare it yourself. If you go to your country but you didn't know what you wanna do over there, so you will think like useless.
Okay.
Yeah, and learn about other culture before you go there. Yeah, the culture and the languages. Yeah, only maybe just that's from me.
Okay, it's closing. Alright, we already share overseas on this podcast. Maybe thank you very much for listener and the partner. What's your name? Oh, Zahir and Rapais. Thank you very much for come here to my podcast and see you guys on the next video.
Wassalam.
Assalamualaikum.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke.